Hi, my name is Sal, and on this channel I want to help you be more efficient. By now, almost everyone is affected by the effects of COVID-19 or the coronavirus, so a lot of people, including myself, are currently locked in. I'm not going to tell you how to set up your home office. However, I've prepared a little gift for you at the end of this video, so go get it for free once we're done here. Okay, for this example, I'm sharing my personal routine from morning till evening through the lens of optimizing time using a framework I like to call APEAL. APEAL stands for anticipate, prepare, produce, evaluate, automate, learn. Sounds awesome, right? I just made it up. Before doing any work, generally it's a good idea to create clear goals and mental models of your workflows. What is it that you want to achieve or need to achieve, and which tools will help you best to get there? If you can, prepare your work schedule on the day before, or even better, on a fixed day, for example each Sunday. Also prepare your clothes for the next day, dress for business, charge any devices you may need, and prepare your breakfast table the evening before. Coffee, shave, shower, dress up, wear pants. Keep a work journal and use an RSS feed aggregator to quickly be informed about hundreds of topics and news. Only check the news once in the morning and once in the evening after work. A bigger screen is better. It doesn't have to be this big. Learn how to use your computer's search function in an efficient way. Use smart folders. Your computer desktop is not a dumpster, neither is your real one. Keep it clean. Use a central, safe data hub like a personal network-assisted storage to store and access data from any of your devices. Use task lists and organizer apps such as Trello to track your daily progress for every project you work on. Only use apps that help you work focused and distraction-free. Use smart workflows. Close the door, close your web browser, work in full screen mode, take a break, use password managers. Do not use the same password or similar passwords for different accounts. Not getting hacked saves you a lot of time. Keep all your ideas in a central place. Invest in a digital second brain like the Evernote app, where you can store all your projects and random ideas, as well as all your digital documentation, manuals and scanned files. Keep your contact lists up to date, keep track of your expenses, income and investments. Use a VPN for extra safety. Take another break. Do not check the news to read about the coronavirus every 15 minutes. Close your email program and only check it 3 times a day. Save your files often and frequently. If you need to surf on the web for work, use an ad or script blocker to keep distracting ads and pop-ups away from you. Use a time tracker app and check the weekly and monthly reports to see where you waste time and when you are more productive. Look at your checklists at the end of the day. Did you get everything done that you wanted? Use a text expander that will type out the words for you and be as fast as 3 or 4 other colleagues at the same time. Learn something new every day. Be curious. Leave time for creativity and brainstorming, daily sport and meditation. Set a clearly defined time to end your workday and stick to it. At the end of the day, save your data, your backups should run automatically. Unplug devices you don't need for the night to save energy. Congratulations if you made it this far. This was a very generic introduction to the topic of time saving and optimizing your work. Don't be afraid to adjust and improve your system a little bit every day. As promised, here's my free giveaway for you. Head over to heysal.net/timesavers, where you can download a free guide with all the information you need to get started with time saving and working smarter. From apps that will save your time, including the ones mentioned in this video, to methods and automations, this free guide will get you started on your journey to reclaim your time. Of course, I will put all the links down below this video, down here somewhere. I want to hear from you. Are there any routines, workflows or rituals that have improved your efficiency and made you save time? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for updates about any new videos I'll post. Goodbye for now, let's go save some time.